Hello to everyone present here. I am Agila Ashraf. I'm glad to talk in today's special course, Intro. I'm currently studying at ISA Tirupati, which stands for Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. It's my first year there. The course that I have opted is called BSMS, which is a dual degree program. Through this course, we can complete both bachelor's and master's degree in science in just 5 years. After plus two, I wrote and passed the ISO aptitude test, in which I was able to get an opportunity to study there. While studying in this course, we are able to participate in projects, internships, competitions conducted by universities across the world. These projects are mainly focused on subjects we are interested in. In the fifth year of the course, we will have to work on our own research paper. After the course, we are able to do a PhD doctorate in subjects we are interested in a well-known university. Also, we can work as a lab assistant, professor, or have a job in an industrial field. If anyone have a keen interest in science or more curious about it, this course is most suitable for them. Also, this course gives a more broader opportunities for a science research based field. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's amazing to see that people are taking science now. We had missed out in terms of few years, maybe a decade or more missing out of science. Amazing, Akila. You are Ashraf's daughter, or?
This is another Ashraf.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Aisha Naufal, are you in the call? Zamil Ghafoor is doing in electrical engineering IIT Madras. Zamil, are you in the call? Okay. Henna Selim. Ida Hassan.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. Is it okay if I switch on my video?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Can you see me?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. So I'm doing my second year MBBS at PK Das Institute of Medical Sciences, which is located in Palakkad, Ottapalam to be precise. So the reason I didn't give you the name of the institute is that most of you would be unfamiliar with it, because PK Das, it would be familiar if I said it is a part of network group of institutes. PK Das is a new medical college. It started like 5 years back, and we just recently had the graduation of our first batch. So yeah, I'm doing my second year there. I just got into second year this month in May. And about my course, I'll be telling you that I'll tell you about what happens in first year in a medical college. So basically there are 3 subjects. It's anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. In anatomy, what you learn is you learn the structure of the human body. Like you learn about every muscle, every nerve, and every blood vessel that is in your body. And you learn the details of it. Hello?
Yes, we are
Okay.
here.
Okay, sure. That's about anatomy. And in anatomy, one thing that most people don't know is that in first year, you dissect a whole cadaver, and then you take out all the organs, and then you study each of it in detail. When you have all the theory of it in our textbooks, and we compare whatever is there in the textbook to what we see in the human body, in the raw form. And then another subject we have is physiology. Physiology is based on concepts. So in physiology, we learn the working of the human body at different levels of organization. Like you talk about all the systems, like the gastrointestinal system and all the other systems of our body. That's basically what physiology is. And another subject we have in first year is biochemistry. So in biochemistry is a subject that actually puts forth a chemical perspective to whatever happens in our body. We analyze all the processes that take place in our body at a molecular level. And that takes you to a whole another level of learning medicine. Like we takes it to a level that we don't usually think about when we study about diseases. So those are the 3 subjects in anatomy in the first year. anatomy, biochemistry, and physiology. And as you all know, it has 5 years. The course is 5 to 5.5 years, including a house residency. And yeah, I'm in second year right now. If anyone has any questions about the course, I'll try to answer it.
Good job.
Thank you. It was wonderful. Yeah. And the last we have Maya Aravindakshan.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, Maya. Yeah, please.
Yeah, hello. I'm Maya from Bangalore, doing my product design in MIT Institute of Design, Pune. I've completed 4 semesters in this 8-semester program, so that's 4 years. MIT is ranked as the best private college in India for design, and it holds the first position for design courses in India. MIT Institute of Design has another branch in Ujjain called Avantika University. So there are different courses offered by MIT in Pune, that is product design, interior space and furniture design, communication design, UI UX, graphic design, transportation design, RED, that is retail and exhibition design, fashion design, fashion communication, fashion technology, and many more. So the degree awarded after completing this 4-year course is BDES, that is Bachelor's of Design, in this 8-semester course. There's like a 2-month internship after your 6th semester to get some work experience and all. So to get admission for this course, we have a few entrance exams. So NID, that is National Institute of Design, has their own entrance exam called DAT, that is Design Aptitude Test. So that will be a 2-level exam. So the first one will be a theory one, where it's a writing thing where you have MCQs and all, and there's a drawing part also. And the second one would be a portfolio review. So we'll have a panel and we have to talk to the panel and all. And MIT also has a similar kind of entrance exam. So first one will be again a design aptitude test, and the second one will be a portfolio review. So if you, I had enrolled in this coaching class called DQ Labs. So they have many branches in Bangalore, Pune, and Chennai. So they really helped me with, guided me on cracking these entrance exams. And then this is a niche course, and there are many opportunities available as it is a creative course, and there are many areas where students can find jobs. Depending upon the design stream, students can find jobs. I feel there's so much more to explore, as it is still a course stream where there is so much to discover, learn, and grow. And about me, my hobbies include cooking, baking, dancing, and painting. Thank you.
Maya, why did you decide to go for design? I think it's an amazing stream.
Yeah, I mean, I was like really interested, like from my childhood, I was really into drawing, painting, and all, something creative. And the other thing was I wasn't like that interested in going to this engineering or medical for that matter and all that. And I really liked creative, doing something creative, something hands-on like craft, and also that's why I chose this.
But you have to work with engineers when you come.
Yeah, we do have to work with engineers, especially in product design. But yeah, that's fine. I mean, I still get to do my drawing and creative. I get to show my creative skills and all that. So yeah.
It was wonderful. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
So now we have, people who can cut the body, and some people can design the body and all, right? So there are all sorts of. Aisha Naufal, she's studying for Cardiac Tech Coimbatore. Aisha, you are there or?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, please. Can you introduce yourself and your course?
Yeah. Hi, everybody. My name is Aisha, and I'm studying Coimbatore for cardiac technology. I'm doing my second year. So my course deals with diagnosis and treatment in heart and lung conditions, and we closely deal with the patients and doctors, and also we are more into the technical part of the diagnosis, and we mostly diagnose. The main part is providing aiding the doctors for diagnosis and treatment of conditions. Thank you.